but Pradeep laptop is actually got some problem, and my
Uh,
laptop have got crashed, sir. So I have to go to service and get it serviced, sir. So
yeah, I'm making a note of that. Any others who want to postpone this, or you are ready with your projects?
Sir, I want little time, sir.
Who is this?
Ajay.
Huh?
Ajay, sir.
Ajay. Why Ajay?
Uh, some mobile application problem is there, sir.
Which tool you are using for mobile application?
Android Studio.
Don't use Android Studio, it will drag a lot.
Okay, sir. I'll try to use it in MIT and check, sir.
No, actually, why I am telling this now? We need just a half of some two screens or three screens, so which you can do in MIT Inventor only, which drag and drop option is there, and even how to connect to hardware with app directly, and also that also I have sent in that material. Once if you go through that material, at least it will help you, according to me. Um, think on that.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Any others?
So,
Sahadev, what about your project?
so that much only happened, sir. No
No, what
improvement.
happened? Error solved?
No, sir.
Why?
So I went to my brother's room. After that, Seema called me that
Uh,
sir told me that you have to talk with Amruta and
uh,
sir she will give sir number. But
correct.
I had not laptop, so I didn't
Uh,
call.
now do one thing, you take the number. I will send you the number of him directly to you only. You call that Chandrakant sir. Okay. Their problem solved. I think he has solved that particular problem. That bio five company fellow. That on that day he has given a talk also. Correct now.
Yes, sir.
So you will solve the problem, not an issue. And I am planning, I will tell you the dates. Don't worry. I have some plans, I will tell you. Let you discuss first. Any others who are facing problem with your projects? I will think everyone are right there.
So otherwise, if you have no problem, then I will come in college only.
No, actually, you will be not in college. Do one thing. You first you call him. How what he will tell you do that. If he tells like that, no, we can't do on college means in online and all. He will tell one place. You can go there and you can solve the problem. Not an issue. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Others?
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, I
Hedappa.
need some time, sir.
Gunashekar. What is which is
Sir,
your project?
ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 4 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ನ ಆಯ್ತು?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು
ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್
ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್
ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಸರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್?
Hello, yes, sir. I'm Sarfraz, sir.
ಸರ್ಫರಾಜ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
Yes, sir. So the project which we are developing, sir, that is actually a sensor, sir, ultrasonic sensor. So we don't have any idea, sir, that how we can develop an Android application for that, sir. That is what we are waiting for.
No, whenever what actually you are doing, whenever somebody comes to your nearby your radar and all, you will give a intimation. Correct? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You give a intimation through app.
But sir, actually we can't initialize that, sir. How we can do that, sir? Because our project is just very simple. Like it will a radar system, and it will check whether anything is coming in place in that radar or not. If any object is coming, it will show that at this angle this object has came. So how we are doing that?
Hey,
We are
what you
using
are
Arduino
telling,
code format.
see, what you
Huh?
are telling, everything is correct. Yeah, in this
Yes, yes.
particular
But
angle, the
we
object.
actually
Hmm.
yes, sir. We actually don't know, sir, that how we have to implement Android app for that. We bought a Wi-Fi module to connect that, and
Hmm.
I have designed a small app also,
Hmm.
sir. But sir, actually we can't identify that how we are able to connect that, sir. That is what the main
Oh,
issue is.
yeah, over. Can I talk now?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah, see, actually, what is the thing? Whatever the means in the distance of a radar, in which angle the object is there and which coming and all you are detecting, right? And you are displaying that on a LCD or intimating the user. Now, what actually you have to do? Same data you have to transfer to the cloud. From cloud, you should give a notification to the user. For example, assume I am having some important details in a bank and all. Somebody in a RBI, in a bank, if somewhere and all where vigilance is needed and the object which is coming in which handle it should be known. So you are giving a notification to the important person wherever they may be. Once if we use this concept, for example, as I am the worker in a ISRO and I am having some important documents or important project is there. Somebody in the night they are moving. Assume that for in my mobile app is there and you are going to give a notification that the object is there in this particular state. That's a use.
Yes,
Sarfaraj.
sir. Yes, yes,
Ah.
sir.
See,
But
whatever
sir,
data you are displaying on a LCD, that data you transfer to cloud
yes,
from
sir. But sir,
ah.
actually we don't know, sir, that how we have to do that. If you give us a demo,
See,
small demo,
I have given no ThinkSpeak demo. I have given.
what, sir?
Hello,
What, sir?
ThinkSpeak,
Okay.
ThinkSpeak demo. I have given, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ThinkSpeak. What you have to do? Same, create a username, everything you create, and then you connect through the API. Right API, you connect to the ThinkSpeak.
Okay.
That code
Yes.
also on that day, how to add a ThinkSpeak library to our Arduino board, I have shown you. And then ThinkSpeak example also we have taken. So just you have to specify in that security.h, you have to specify what is the user ID and password, and then
Yes,
what is the API. Then automatically data will write into that particular ThinkSpeak. There you can download either you can import a CSV file or either you can directly do some MATLAB analysis, something like that. Then you can take that data and transfer that data to your app. How to transfer the data to the app from a cloud, that is there in a material what I have sent to you, that is the MIT app inventor. In that clearly it is there that how you can connect it to the cloud, and how you can read the data from the cloud. There you have to use a read API.
sir. Can't we show our project like this, sir? Is it mandatory to use Android application for
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Why? Because I am telling IoT means Internet of the things you have to use. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
not like that you have to show only with the app, but internet you have to use. What do you mean by internet? Even a far place fellow can know what is happening in your surroundings. That is the intention. That's it. Either you are giving through SMS, either you are working through GPRS. Yeah, it left to you people. It's not like that. What I mean to tell. What do you mean by
Sir,
internet of it?
yes, sir. Sir, all those things which we want for that project, we bought all those things, and
Hmm.
we have tested those, and we have run that in our local host, means using laptop. We have done that.
Hmm.
Sir, we are just facing the difficulties while using this Android application. What you taught, sir. Sir, all those
That
things.
you have not gone through that MIT App Inventor, I
Yes,
think
yes.
so.
No, sir, we have not gone through this MIT inventor because I've
You have
developed
to
one
go.
Android application, sir.
You have to
Uh,
go. If once
yes.
you study and then you call me. Any doubts is there?
But sir, we can develop that app using Android Studio also, no, sir? So
Yeah,
that
you
is
can
what.
develop, but there is a tough in that to connect to cloud and all.
Oh, it's tough. So,
It's tough, but here just to drag and drop blocks are there. You can drag and drop blocks automatically. Code it will create. You try once, everyone. I'm telling you. You try once. I felt very easy, pa. Even I don't have a knowledge
so
of.
how we can use, but how we can
Uh,
design the user interface for that? Means
Mm,
how it
Yeah,
will.
see, just you have to go in a Google and you have to tell MIT App Inventor 2. If you type, the website will be open to you. A
No,
tool.
no, sir, that I know, sir. That I
Yeah.
know. But we're talking about the user interface, means, sir, what type of user interface we need for that, sir? That is what we can't analyze.
A user interface is nothing but just notification means, for example, I'll tell you a beep sound will be given, some object is coming, assume within this so and so degree, a beep sound you are going to give in your app. When he sees that particular app, he will come to know. Otherwise, you send SMS at least. So a object is moving in this particular degree or a direction. That is also okay for me.
So in place of using Android apps, sir,
You
can
can
we
use GPRS, SMS.
only message is enough, no, sir?
Yeah, message is enough for me. See, a far place person, for example, assume I am a worker of DRDO and I am a worker of some ISRO, and my project I have placed in office and I have came, and somebody person has moved around my project. So within a span of some 100, 200 meters, I have kept this particular project where I will get an SMS or a notification that in so and so angle, some intruder has been came. It's beautiful. Then automatically I will call a security there and I will tell somebody are there in that. Even if you send some pictures also, it will be damn good. Means just I'm telling you, now it's enough for us to send an SMS. Further I'm telling.
Yes, sir. But sir, doing all these things, sir, we need some time, sir. If you postpone that, sir, then it will
Okay,
be
okay,
difficult.
okay. I will discuss that later. You need time.
Yes,
That's it.
yes, sir, we need
Next.
time, sir, to do that. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Next.
ಸರ್
Ah.
ಸರ್ ನಂದು ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು
Hmm.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಜರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದು ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಉಫ್ ಅಂತ ಗಾಳಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಬಜರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಗಾಳಿ ಓದೋದು ನಾಯ್ಸ್.
ಹಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ
ಬಟ್
ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್
ನೀವು
ಯೂಸ್
ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಉಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹಂಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ತು ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಸಿರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟು ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿನ್ ಬಜರ್
ಇಲ್ಲ
ವರ್ಕ್
ಸರ್, ಅದು
ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್.
ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಡಬೇಡ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಡವಾಗ.
ಹಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇದು
ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್?
ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಇದು ಆಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಫೈ
ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಓಕೆ, ಆಪ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟು ಸೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. You have to store in cloud and you have to take that data. Either you will send SMS, either you will send to your own app. It's left to you. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay. Next. Only those who are speaking, they are only asking doubts. Any others?
Sir, it's Sridhar sir.
ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಯಾ ಹೇಳು. ಈಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳು?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಏನೋ ನೀನು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್
ಸರ್? ಅದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗೆ
ಸರ್? ಅದು ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, 2 ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರು, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್. ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬಜರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಬಜರ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು, ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ
ಓಕೆ,
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀನು ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ COVID-19 ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು
ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ he has to travel along the way, some 100-200 kilometers he has to travel. He doesn't know his body temperature and all, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, and pulse rate ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If you add this, what happens actually, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇರಿ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಆದಾಗ you will get an intimation that your temperature is so and so, and then ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ನ ನೀನು ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ಅವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ತರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನು ಗುಡ್. ಆ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಗುಡ್, ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್. ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗುಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ, ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ, ನೀ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್.
ಸರ್, ಅದು ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೆರಳ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಬಾಡಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಅದು
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಿವಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು,
ಕಿವಿ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಆತರ. ಓಕೆ,
ಕಿವಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಿವಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ರೈಟ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಈ ನನ್ ಬೆರಳು ನೋಡು, ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿವಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿ ನೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಎನಿ ಹೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೀವು? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈಗ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೇಗೋ COVID-19. ಸೊ COVID-19 ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Don't think that thing is very less.
Okay sir.
Okay
sir. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಅವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಹೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್
100 ಫ್ಯಾರೆನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ 100 ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. 101 ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಫೀವರ್. ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ 96 ಇರೋರ್ಗೆ 97 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್? ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೋಡ್ and you are ready with your projects almost all, including app. You are having any doubt, you can ask me now. Come on. Right? I think no one has a doubts. Okay. Now, coming to the dates, taking the consideration that the test is there on 5th and 3rd November, it will become a very difficult to give a final demo. So just I'm shifting the sorry, shifting this date to 10th November 2020. Okay for you?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any objection you can discuss.
No,
Can
sir.
you postpone it more, sir?
Huh?
Can you postpone it more, sir? 10th is, I think, not enough for us, sir.
No. More than this, I can't postpone. Why? Because I will tell you
Yeah, only
13th.
one more week, sir. One more week, sir.
No. 13th is your open day. You have to give a demo in front of principal, everyone. So this is a maximum I can try. That's it.
13th is last date, sir.
Almost 13, 13, I think 13 or 17 Sunday is there, open day. So your report must also become ready now. That is another part is there. Don't forget that. You need a time to make a report also. So that's why 10th November we'll keep. Huh? Any objections? No one is speaking, but this is a problem with you guys.
No, sir.
10th okay.
Yes, sir.
Every others? Surya,
Yes, sir.
Naina,
Sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪೂಜಾ
Yes,
ಅನುಷಾ
sir.
ಪೂಜಾ ಓಕೆನಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್
Okay, sir.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಯಾರು ನೈನಾ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್?
ಏನಮ್ಮ
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ 10th ಬೇಡ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Are you getting 10th? I need a full demo. This is your second internals, full demo with app, SMS, like that you have to give. That means a far place person should know what is happening in your project. Are you getting? So that is 10th November 2020. Clear? And I am planning on 7th November. That is a Saturday after writing your test. Means last test 5, 6, 7. After writing your last test, 11:30 like that. I'll try to request Chandrakant sir. Can he come in online? That if he comes once in online, anybody having whatever a doubt is there in your project, one by one you can discuss on that particular day. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So note down the dates once again. Note down the dates once again. 10th November, actually I told report, you cancel that. 10th November is a full demo of your project. Full demo. I am pressing full demo. And whole day project demo will be there on 10th. That is not this coming Tuesday, another Tuesday. So I think almost all you are having some more than a 10 days time. 10th November 2020. So you have to give a full demo. Whole day we will take. In a break of lunch, in a break of that coffee, we'll take a whole day from 9:30 to 4:30. All 27 projects you have to give a demo. I have taken the permission from HOD also. Great, okay? And 7th, those who are having any critical doubts, even including MIT App Inventor, he is very good in MIT App Inventor also. If you are having any doubts on that also, online you can share your code and he will see and he will do there only something like that you can do. And I will also be with him in online to Today only I will call him and I'll make some arrangements. Still, why? Because 7th, a lot of time is there. So I'll fix a date. I'll tell him, sir, you have to help us. Definitely will help. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, sir.
ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
I'm asking everyone, please.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then you can't tell, sir, because of so and so reason I didn't did the project and all. Why? Because this time each and every possibility I'm checking, each and every possibility of even giving a material to you, studying myself. Why? Because I'm also new to this particular type of projects. You also know in MCA we don't have that, but we are keeping a step ahead. We have to complete. That is our intention. So anyway, with other self also we are taking, requesting whatever may be the thing from my side, I will do that. Don't worry about that. But definitely he is a good helper and he knows he is very, very talented. Per day he will do one project according to me. That much talent is there to him, Chandrakant sir. You believe or not, per day he has did many projects. When I am in Apsis in internship, I saw his work in my eyes. Means in front of me, he has did that much talented guy. So definitely will help us. Amrita solved one problem like that. Even Sahadev, I will send a number. You call. How Amrita? How you will help? Give the feedback.
Of course, Ade. Yeah, actually, I told him to call. Yesterday, he said, if you're free, call me. I have some work, so I didn't call. Actually, today he will call and we'll do it.
So, anytime you will call, he will help you, right?
Yeah, sir will help.
Sir will help. So for everyone I am telling, I will tell him also. My children will keep on calling. Please don't hesitate. Help them. Don't worry about that. So definitely we will get a succeed in this particular thing. Not even all 27 projects should be in a full phase. That is my intention. Don't worry about the marks. Marks is not criteria for me. Always you know about me, right? So I need a work to be done. That is very much important. And that project should add on to your resume. That is very, very much important to me. You have to add that to your resume, and somebody will ask you in the interviews and all, you have did this IoT project, tell me about that. Then you are there to tell on that. Don't worry about that. That things will make you help in many, many interviews. Right. Then what else I should tell? That 7th is there, 10th is there. Okay, fixed. And a report. Meanwhile, if you are having a time,
Any posters like they have done in open day?
Madam?
Should they make any posters? Not required, no?
Poster they should maintain, madam. 10th, let them give a demo. Within next 17th, they have to complete the report and poster.
At least soft copy, let them mail.
Yeah, soft copy only. So what I planned, let them fully concentrate on project now. So after 10th, let them.
Template you send them, sir.
Yeah, I will send a template. 11th onwards until 7th, 1 week will be there. Let them concentrate on report and this one, poster.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Any doubts? Now it's open for discussion. Doubts even in your projects, welcome. Okay, we will wind up here that you do your projects. So 7th, Chandrakant sir will come in online. So he will solve your doubts. Don't forget, Saturday, 11:30 sharp. All 27 project members should attend. This is very much important. In front of him, don't make the scenes, right? So any major doubts, one by one, I will give a preference. Before that, you have to register. So FIFO method, we will first register your cases within 7th. I will note down that cases one by one. That will be given a preference according to the FIFO method. First in, first out. So he will sit on with you on that day, one by one problem he will solve. If possible, I'll ask him to continue on Sunday also, depending on your doubts and all later on. So according to me, 7th full shape will check one there once, one by one we'll check there. And 10th he will be ready in front of giving the HOD, Sridevi Madam and myself. In any other staff are interested, let them also join, not an issue. So full demo on 10th, he should give in full-fledged. And the date of open day, 17th is there, I will see and I will make you. So there you must be very clear on open day that you are participating through MCA department and you are making a name of MCA department. In this time, I want our department name should shine like anything, and you are equal to all, even BE electronics, BE computer science, BE IS, whoever may be the thing. My MCA children are damn more equivalent, more equivalent with that particular children. Definitely, your project should shine with their projects. So that thing you have to keep in your mind. This is very much important for me and for you also. Why? Because it's the name of our department. So think on that, right? Open day. So that keep in that your mind. That's a main goal for us. Even principals or deans, everyone should tell. No, MCA students are damn good. They also did very live projects and their products are damn good, and we can take that for even a proposals. So if that name should come, that is my intention. Getting students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. I'll wind up here. 7th Saturday, one work, and 10th. So these things is there, right? 10th onwards, we'll start with report and poster. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just I'll stop recording.